You're doing LibreOffice completely wrong, and it's costing you hours of productivity every single week. I'm about to show you 8 hidden features that will transform how you work with this free Office suite forever. Here's the problem most people face with LibreOffice. They treat it like a basic word processor or spreadsheet tool, completely missing the powerful features that can automate their work and make them look like productivity masters. You're probably clicking through menus the hard way, formatting documents manually, and recreating the same layouts over and over again. Sound familiar? Let's fix this right now. First, we're opening LibreOffice Writer, and I want you to completely forget everything you think you know about Office software. The first game changer is the Styles panel. Press F11 right now, or click Format menu and select Styles and Formatting. This opens the Styles sidebar that most people never touch. Here's why this matters. Instead of manually formatting every heading, every paragraph, every bullet point, you create styles once and apply them instantly. Click on the paragraph styles icon at the top of the Styles panel. See those default styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, Text Body? Right-click on Heading 1 and select Modify. You can customize fonts, colors, spacing, everything. Once you modify it, every Heading 1 in your document updates automatically. The second tip involves the Navigator window. Press F5 or go to View menu and click Navigator. This creates a document outline showing all your headings, images, tables, and bookmarks. You can jump to any section instantly by double-clicking. But here's the secret nobody talks about. You can drag and drop headings in the Navigator to reorganize your entire document structure without cutting and pasting text. Third essential feature is Master Documents. Go to File menu, hover over New, and you'll see Master Document option. This lets you combine multiple documents into one project while keeping them as separate files. Perfect for books, long reports, or team collaborations where different people work on different chapters. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now for the advanced stuff that separates beginners from power users. Fourth tip involves AutoText, which is LibreOffice's version of text expansion. Go to Tools menu and select AutoText. You can create shortcuts for commonly typed phrases. Type your full email signature, select it, then press Ctrl plus F3. Give it a shortcut like SIG and now typing SIG followed by F3 instantly inserts your complete signature. Fifth feature is Paste Special, but not how you think. Everyone knows Ctrl-Shift-V opens Paste Special dialog, but here's the advanced move. When copying from websites or other documents, use Paste Special and select unformatted text to avoid bringing messy formatting into your document. Even better, you can paste as HTML, RTF, or bitmap depending on your needs. The sixth power feature is Insert Fields for dynamic content. Go to Insert menu and select Field. You can insert automatic page numbers, current date that updates when you open the document, word count, file path, and even calculated formulas. The document title field automatically pulls from your document properties, so when you save with a new file name, all title references update automatically. Seventh game changer involves templates that sync across projects. Don't just use the default templates. Create your own by setting up a document exactly how you want it, with your styles, headers, footers, and formatting. Then go to File menu, select Templates, and choose Save as Template. Name it something memorable like My Report Template, and now it appears every time you create a new document. But here's the template secret most people miss. You can set any template as your default. Right-click on your custom template in the template gallery and select Set as Default Template. Now every new document automatically starts with your preferred formatting, styles, and layout. The eighth and most powerful feature is the Extension Manager for supercharging LibreOffice capabilities. Go to Tools menu and select Extension Manager. You can install add-ons for advanced grammar checking, citation management, diagram creation, and specialized formatting tools. The Language Tool extension adds professional-grade grammar and style checking that rivals premium software. Here are 3 pro tips to maximize everything we've covered. First, customize your toolbar by right-clicking on it and selecting Customize Toolbar. Add the most used style buttons, navigator toggle, and paste special directly to your toolbar for one-click access. Second pro tip involves keyboard shortcuts. Go to Tools menu, select Customize, then click on Keyboard tab. You can assign custom shortcuts to any function. I recommend setting Ctrl-Q for Navigator, Ctrl-Shift-S for Styles panel, and F12 for your most used template. Third advanced move is setting up LibreOffice to automatically save in Microsoft Office formats. Go to Tools menu, select Options, then Load Save in General. Change the default file format to save as Word documents or Excel spreadsheets if you're collaborating with Office users. This eliminates compatibility headaches completely. The real power of LibreOffice isn't just that it's free. It's that these features give you professional-level document control that many people pay hundreds of dollars for in other software. You're now equipped with tools that can automate repetitive tasks, maintain consistent formatting, and create professional documents faster than ever before. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These LibreOffice features we've covered today are just the beginning. Make sure you're subscribed because we're diving deeper into Calc spreadsheet power features, Impress presentation secrets, and advanced LibreOffice integrations that will revolutionize your workflow. Hit that subscribe button and let's master technology together.